good night, good afternoon, and welcome back to another video. So I just, I have someone coming out. Decided to just start this intro right here. So right now it's a Friday night. We're at the bar drinking. All right, look at this view. So beautiful of the mountain, you know, hills and valleys. Jamaica is full of hills and valleys. So yes, kind of tipsy. If you get that red nephew or like 60-something% alcohol, it's gonna get you right. Definitely gonna get you right. And I love this view. The background is amazing. Oh, sorry. Alright guys, I'll see you guys in a minute. Yes, we just got some food. I don't think I put out there some chicken and fries. You know, while you drink, you gotta eat something. So we're just in there chilling with the fam. And I'll see you guys in a minute. Bye, Sophia. Just wearing this shirt and this nothing too much.
My party, pipe on the body. We love my
Beautiful view of the city. Can't get better than that. Right, that's so. Up on the bar. Right, that's so. Wow, everything I can. But yeah, drinking quick on my video. Hello? Yeah, we'll just let the one across from me because Papa saying food.
This Ferrari is there. This Ferrari is there.
Yeah, so oh, fire there. Good morning, guys. It's the next day. Still got on a shirt from last night. But we're just up early rising, you know, Jamaica, everybody up early. I'm drinking some water. You gotta stay hydrated, so I bought one of that. Quench my thirst. I'll say I need some tea because I haven't had any tea in the past few days. So later on, I'm going to put more for the angle something. So I think I'm gonna take the regular city bus or probably a taxi or something along there. But yeah, there's so much to say. I feel like I'm not telling y'all everything, you know what I'm saying? What am I saying? Oh yeah, like certain like business or things you want to do here, I feel like using proper English is the way to do it. Like you're calling a company, you're calling somewhere to get some information, or you're trying to do, you know, anything using proper English, they're more likely to respond back or take you serious. Speaking that patwa pata, them don't really want to hear them in a certain places. But yeah, I just sent my brother to get some fruits. I gave him $400 Jamaican to get some fruits. That can't buy nothing. If you know, you know, that's not a lot of money. Also, the mosquito them out here near me up the whole of my skin bump up. Mosquito eat me for days. I feel like when you destroy or something. But boy, the whole of my skin mash up, bump up. But hopefully, then go down. I forget just like the destroyer. So yeah, the sun is nice. The little pit them out here. You behaving yourself? No? Yeah? Maybe? Yeah, so we're just out here chilling. I'm gonna see y'all. Probably record the fruits if I get the fruits, and then I'm gonna send when to go. I'm gonna go up on the road, bathe and change. I'll go up on the road, got Portmore. Portmore is about 30-45 minutes away from Kingston. You go up on the toll, you pay a toll fee. Well, I don't have to pay it since I'm driving a taxi, but if you're driving your own vehicle, then you pay the toll. But yeah, see y'all later. Yeah, wash the pot. I just served something, baby, that is up. See, load the water. So yeah, I know the water. I went an ackee tree. If I win some ackee up on there, I'll know them no. I'll know them the right. Then probably not go ripe. We get some banana for that tree there, and the next banana tree behind me. Yeah, so my brother came back with my fruits. I just gave him $400 and he was able to get all this. So I got lettuce, got a cucumber, and a piece of watermelon. So yeah, $400 and made it work. So I'm gonna eat this for my breakfast. And I'm gonna eat this with my Sunday dinner. Yeah. Alright guys, so this is it. Fried chicken. And that, oh yeah, I'll make it dry out. Chicken and rice and lettuce on the dinner.
Sit down.
If I'll give me food now. You can't eat so much food.
Yeah, look up your food.
Shit. It had to take your time. It's alright, just pass by him. Alright guys, so just got ready. I'm about to head out. Gonna jump in a taxi and then probably take another taxi to Portmore. I'm just wearing this shirt and the shorts I wore before. Yeah, honestly the heat is like making me bump all the way up. My face is getting bumpy. I need to do something about my arm. See that? But can I buy something for the mosquito them up there? Yeah, this straw, yeah. Yeah, I can't do what I'm on, Bob. See y'all in a minute. It's the next day. We're going to the river. It's kind of raining a little bit, but we're still gonna go. I mean, we're gonna get wet anyways. I don't know. We'll see. Yeah. So we took. Y'all saw when I went to Portmore, I was on the bus. But honestly, you can't. I try not to film too much while I'm on the road, so that's why I just saw a little clippings of me in the bus and probably the taxi. Oh, settle. Alright, so that's why I didn't really feel much. Now we're going to the river and it's raining, so I probably won't even, I don't know what I'm gonna do. So I'll see y'all when I get there, if we go, because it's raining. We made it to the river. We just gave them some change for coming. Yeah. Gotta then clean up the place and keep it clean, so we just give them a little change. So then put some sandbag right there, so. And have a next one with some sandbag from there, so. We have some food right there, so. Everybody there. So, just went in the water. I didn't have any swimsuits, I just wore the sports top and my shorts. I put my hair up, the kids playing. That's it. Still at the river, it's about 12 o'clock, the sun went away. The baby right here, the water pushing through. Water kind of heavy today, but it is beautiful. And we have some guinea all up in the tree. Right, that's stuff. Yeah, the kids playing. Alright guys, so I got mackerel and rice for dinner after the river. That is it. Quick and fast. You don't know if everybody tired, so you just want something quick, easy, and delicious. And bedtime, John, oh my God, I got to my bed early. Tired out. Food look good. Good morning guys. It's the next day and I got up super early, so I got up like 5 something and I started to do some laundry because I was like, I need to wash some clothes. I went to the river yesterday, so still early. I'm trying to get my voice back. So yeah, I'm washing by hand. I already know that these clothes are not being washed properly, but I'm washing them by hand. I'm about to hang them on the line. Well, I'm about to probably just throw them on the line because I don't think I have any hooks, any hangers. I mean, any clothespin. Yo, I don't have any clothespin, so I'm about to just throw them over the line. And that is it. So I just washed them. I'm about to just rinse them out in another bucket. I don't know if I have a bucket. Yeah. So I'm gonna just rinse them out and throw them over the line before the sun comes out so they could dry. Still super early. So that's the best time to wash. When you're doing laundry, when you're washing, you got to get up early before the sun comes out and hang them stuff out on the line. So when the sun come out, they could dry it quick and proper. Okay? But for the ones that have washing machine now, that could just wash it and spin it and just take out basically all the water. So as soon as you put it on the line, like within an hour or two, your clothes then dry. A minute of that. You have to wash it by hand. Okay? So that is it. That is it. I'm trying to see if I should close the vlog out here or take y'all with me today. I don't even know what I'm doing today. I'm trying to figure out my ride situation. I don't have a ride, so I'm trying to figure that out. But I'm up doing laundry. I'm gonna show y'all when I hang the clothes them up on the line, okay? Alright guys, I just finished doing laundry. Oh my god, that took forever. I just threw them out though. I just threw them over the line. The sun is coming out right now, so that's the plus. Y'all can see the sun pushing through over here. So I got everything just thrown over the line. I think I'm gonna end the vlog right here. I'm tired and it's about 2 hours doing this stuff and all the clothes still soaking in water. Like I couldn't even squeeze all that stuff out. But anyways, I'm gonna end the vlog right here. And I'm gonna catch you guys on the next video, okay? If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you like, didn't like, what you want me to do, any suggestions. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. Bye, my fluffies.